I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, easy and gluten-free banana bread. Let's go. So for this recipe, you need 350 grams of bananas, 100 grams of rice flour, 50 grams of buckwheat flour, 100 grams of potato starch, 50 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 70 milliliters of milk, 50 grams of neutral vegetable oil, I used sunflower oil, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of gluten-free baking powder. Now, if you have a blender, the easiest for this recipe is you just chuck everything in the blender, whiz it for about a minute, and then it's done. But assuming you don't have a blender, then this is how you do it. So you start by mashing the bananas. They really need to be well mashed, completely pureed, right? So when the bananas are pureed, just add the 50 grams of sugar and give it a mix. Then add the 50 grams of vegetable oil and the 2 eggs and give it a really good mix. Next, add the rice flour, buckwheat flour, potato starch and gluten-free baking powder. And then give it all a good mix again. And last, add the pinch of salt and the milk. If you're dairy-free, by the way, you can totally replace the cow's milk by soya milk or almond milk. It works perfectly well. Give it all a good final mix. So once it's all well mixed, simply take a cake tin and line it up with some non-stick baking paper and pour your cake dough inside it. And that's it. Next, we're going to pop it into the oven at 200 degrees for about 45 minutes. And there you go. Look at this. Let's let it cool down and we're going to cut it and taste it. And there you go. Look at this. Doesn't it look delicious? I'm going to taste it now. Let's see. Okay, let's go. It's really lovely. It tastes of bananas. It's absolutely fantastic. Nice and moist. Delicious. As I said in the video, you can make this recipe dairy-free by simply substituting the cow's milk with soy milk or almond milk. It works absolutely perfectly fine. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all for me, please post them in the comments below this video. I'll be very happy to answer them. And if you have a special request for a gluten-free video as well, let me know in the comments too. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I reckon you'll enjoy this one next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.